By using the Bing application, which is an artificial intelligence, you can enter any text you like from the image section and receive the photos. For example, I wrote a fantasy pink castle here and it brought me 4 beautiful images. After that, go to the photo room and from the remove background section, you select the photo you want to remove the background of it, and this application will remove the background quickly.
Why and you still look so dumb? Getting bored too soon of your new hun. Don't even get me started on. You think you're the beat to every ghost drum. I see a boy who missed his home run. Boo-hoo, you can miss me with that shit. I think of you when I'm intoxicated. I don't know why I get frustrated. I bet I was on your mind last night with the by your side. Oh, you can't deny. I bet you wish it's
Close to me. Can you stay?